And welcome back everyone. Today we're going to be testing this new torch that I've got. It's a Sofirn SE1. We got this torch a while ago. Got some specs here. So on high, when you put it on high, it's about 35 lumen. And it goes up to 76 meter. Medium, it goes to 38 meter. Low goes to 17 meter. Moonlight, UV light. So the model is SE1, weighs about 20 grams. Time to fully charge 45 minutes. Nice little torch. Let's see what's inside the pack. Some stuff going on here. So we've got a strap, magnetic holder for the torch, and I'm guessing this is the little torch. It's aluminium. Okay, as instructed. So nice. You can put a strap. I can see we've got a tiny little chain and a strap with a key ring that we can use. I'm gonna do this first before I drop it because it's so small for my hands. Can use it as a key ring as well. Okay, so let's see the instructions. Anything else in the box? No. User manual. Lock unlock, see figure 3. In the box, SE1 O-rings, user manual, optional Type-C charging cable. Okay. Solid green when charged, flashing green. So you have all the indicators. Press and hold. Release. All right. It's probably charged, so we're gonna give it a try. Let's see about this strap. You can probably use it on your wrist as well, like so. Oh, it's got a magnet, it's so strong. You can point it anywhere you want. This way, towards yourself, in the front. It's probably good when you're cycling as well. Okay, let's give it a go. So it says press and hold. Okay, so you press this button 3 times and the torch activates, so you can use it. Okay, so now we can turn it on and off. That's on. And let's turn the lights off and see how good is it. I'm going to put the shutter down as well. As far as I can tell, it's really strong. Okay, so I only have the lights on the back of the unit, and as you can see, this tiny little torch. It's really, really strong. So it's got the UV light as well. You press it twice. It's got the UV light. And with the UV light as well, you can check this £20 note. Yeah, amazing. Let's put it on the full beam. That's the full beam, the full power. Quite amazing. So now, for example, if I switch my lights off, I can use my torch under the car. No problem at all. That's a handy torch. I'll be probably using this torch in the workshop and on the adventures, off-road, camping. Yeah, quite impressed. You can buy yours. I'm gonna drop a link in the description, and you can buy your torch and also different ones. Check the website.